how to pay with Klarna at booking.com. If you want to pay with Klarna at booking.com, first of all, it is not about how to pay with Klarna, because on booking.com it just depends upon how the property accepts a payment method. Now in some cases you don't even need to pay from their website or app. You can just book now, and when you go later at the property, you can ask them manually if they accept Klarna as a payment method, or you'll find the property's contact details on their page right here. You can also click on the I'll reserve option right here. You can go ahead and select whatever else details it is and click on the reserve button right there. You can choose a good room or whatever else. After that, you can select your name and your last name, first name. After that, you can click on the next or the final details option right here. Once you go to the final details option, again, as I said, it depends upon whether or not the restaurant or that particular property accepts Klarna as a payment method. In some cases they do, in some cases they might not. In some cases you might find less options, in some cases you might find more options. You can also try to contact that particular property if they actually go ahead and then accept Klarna, so you can book now and you can also pay later if that's the case. I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.